hey! So I just got my hair done. I have been awake now for 23 hours. I went to work last night. I worked a night shift and then I went to my hair appointment, which was at 9:30, and it's currently 4:07 and it just finished. So that's how long it takes if you guys want silver hair. I really love it. This is the color I always get. So I actually cannot go to sleep right now. I am actually going to a wedding. So I know I'm crazy. And tomorrow I'm going to Edmonton. I'm doing like a little road trip to go to my cousin's baby's wedding. Or sorry, cousin's baby's birthday. You guys can tell that I've been awake for this long. So I'm starved right now. I'm gonna hit up McDonald's. I'm gonna hit up McDonald's, get a coffee, and get something to eat because I literally cannot talk or think right now, or probably shouldn't be driving. But I'm headed there right now. I'm in Chestermere, so I don't even know if they have a McDonald's here. So I'm going to attempt to find one. We're gonna go there, and then I'm going to vlog at her wedding. And I'm probably going to be late because I'm gonna try to like take a power nap or something, because I feel like being up for this long isn't really healthy. I don't know, is it? Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this clip. I'll see you guys in the next one, and yeah, check out my hair. What do you guys think? I think it's really pretty. I think it was worth the wait, and I think it's worth the staying up this long, so I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Idiot.
You guys, he's driving on the wrong side of the road.
What a fucking
Oh, he
moron.
moved over. I took some selfies earlier, but we're just on our way out. I didn't show you guys my outfit, but I'm wearing a sari. Oh yeah, that's pretty. And my makeup is very blue. It's the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. So that's my makeup. It's pretty much gone because we've been here for a while, but we're headed out. I'll see you guys in the next vlog or in the next clip. Hi! So we are actually headed to Edmonton today. He's ignoring me, so I'm just gonna talk. Hi! I'm gonna be actually doing my makeup in the car while he's driving. So yeah, it's snowing today. Welcome to Alberta. So I'm actually gonna be heading to the Morphe store, which I'm so excited for because I've never been to a Morphe store before, and they just opened last week. So I'm gonna be heading there as well as my cousin's birthday party.
The neighborhood.
So weird. So we're going to my cousin's birthday party. She's turning 8 years old. And yeah, happy birthday, Adriana. We'll see you in the next clip. I'll probably be vlogging throughout. These earrings are super heavy, by the way, but they're really pretty. Anyways, we're heading there really soon. My mom's just inside the bank, so I really want ice cream. Do you want ice cream? I want ice cream. I always want ice cream. See you in the next clip. Eyebrows on right now, excuse that, but we're not going to Edmonton. I'm so sad. It is like a huge blizzard out there.
I actually didn't think it was going to be this bad.
No, I didn't think it was going to be this bad either because it's like freaking April. It's like almost May.
Look how much snow. There's like a foot of snow out there already.
Yeah, there's like accidents galore.
And then go up there and get stuck up there, have an accident or something.
I'm sad, but it's not. It's not safe.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not safe to drive.
Later on, it's supposed to be -10, so
yeah.
Then it's gonna be ice. Then we're really gonna.
I can't believe this. It's like really shitty. I don't think it's ever been this shitty whenever I've driven
Well, look
here.
how much snow is there.
I know.
It's insane.
I feel like it's been there's another accident. Oh my god, you guys! What the hell? So we're just gonna head to Red Deer, get some donuts, and then head back. And then maybe like we'll take my mom out for dinner or something.
I mean, it's already bad visibility too. Like it's just rain now. What happens when it's gonna turn to snow? Then it's gonna be worse. And then it's gonna be frozen.
We'll wait until it's actually spring before we head back up north. Yes.
What way am I going?
What in the hell is that? Look at the ground. This is crazy. So we're going to the donut mill.
Did you lock that?
Yeah, I did.
Come on.
Like some crazy shit. Look at that, you guys. Okay, we are gonna try.
I've got the apple pie.
What is this one? Cinnamon sugar?
Yeah.
Cinnamon sugar.
Mmm.
Look, your hand. Close to the thing.
Look at that. It's like a cream pie.
Which one is that, sorry? Apple pie? I thought you said you were giving my mom the apple pie one.
She just went and bought another apple pie.
Cheers.
Cheers.
How do you like it?
So good.
I don't have eyebrows yet.
So much better
I haven't
than
put them on yet.
ones.
Put this one in there.
This became a donut eating vlog.
Trip to Edmonton turns to donut eating.
This was supposed to be a Edmonton vlog, but now it's a we're eating donuts
Look at the
vlog.
snow. It's going sideways. It's not even going down.
My nails look really good today, though. Look at that. I like them.
You put the apple pie in here.
Which one do you like? It was rain, but now the temperature's dropped to like -1, so
Oh my god, it's like actually so bad out there. It's like, can I see out the window? No. You guys see out my window? Kind of.
you should show
It's
them
like-
what we're showing outside.
It's like blackout. There's
It's actually
this
white out, not black.
white out, right? There was this semi. He was actually like flipped over back there, and like, oh my god.
Hi, everyone.
Actually,
It's very snowy.
it's actually scary. You know what would be worse if it was dark right now?
Oh, I know, and that's why I'm glad we didn't go up there, because
Yeah. It's like 4:45 p.m. right now, so it's still actually daylight, and there's a lot of traffic now because everybody's driving really slow. But I can't believe it's the end of April and the roads are like this shitty, and the weather is this shitty. It's crazy.
Yep.
It's crazy. We got our donut mill. We're actually going to get sandwiches now. It's still snowing. That crazy out here.